And welcome back, everyone. Hopefully that back did you guys well. Let's wrap things up. Firstly, you guys will see concept map that we spoke about. Everything's highlighted in blue now because we've covered everything. Let's continue on to the next slide where we discuss the words again. Bias. Bias is when we pick up our sample, when we pick our sample without taking all factors into account. Categorical data. Data in the form of words, names, or labels. Continuous data. Data that is usually in the form of decimals and fractions. Discrete data. Data that can only have certain values, usually whole numbers. We then have the frequency table, which we've done a few of, shows the list of categories or groups of things together with the number of times the items occur. Excuse me. Interview. Data collection done by talking to people and collecting their responses. Numerical data is data in the form of numbers. Observation. Data collection done by watching and recording results. We then had the population, the entire group that is affected by the data handling process. A questionnaire is a set of questions that can be used for data collection. Raw data, information that has been collected before analysis has been done. A sample, the smaller representation of the population that data can be collected and analyzed. All right. Now, one last time, the common errors that we looked at. When we sketch a tally table, we need to remember that, come on, there we go, incorrect groups in fives. You can't do that. I put it in red to show you guys this cannot be done. We must group, there we go, in fives. All right, there we go. That's the right way to group in fives. You still get 7, yes, I agree, but we cannot do it like this. This is incorrect. The other thing we need to keep in mind is that we do not total the tally column. Again, think of those numbers as pictures. We only total the frequency column. Now, the challenge. And a challenge is accepted by all, I think. Let's look at it that way, because I believe in you guys. A traffic officer recorded the speed of cars traveling through an area. So we've got speed, and again, I've used a symbol again. Oh, don't fall. There you are. There it is. Instead of writing speed in full, I say, okay, call it small letter s. And then you've got a frequency. Okay, tally left out, because we don't need that. So looking at these intervals, I've used a different form of notation here, just to test you guys. All right. You've got those as values. What type of area do you think the cars were traveling through? Thank you, everyone, for listening to me today. I hope you guys learned something, and I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Looking forward to seeing you all again. Take care. Goodbye.